Zendrop review, important things to know before using Zendrop. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to review Zendrop. First I'm going to share with you the pros and then the cons, and then I'm going to show you the pricing plans, and then I'm going to talk about the whole process of how it works and if you want to use it, if you should use it, shouldn't use it, and also some great alternatives to go with it. So let's start. To start things off, obviously Zendrop's email creation account is just going to be here. So you're going to come over to Zendrop. Okay. And down here, you can see, a few details about it. So fast shipping, automated drop shipping, etc. Now, to obviously go with the main stuff, you're going to go into create your free account, because obviously that's where the whole business starts. So I'm going to go ahead and create a free account. And once we're doing that, I'm going to tell you all the things about Zendrop and all the things you really need to keep in mind when you're using this platform. So I'm just going to add my details in. Once I've added the details in, obviously you can choose to add a phone number if you want to, but you can skip it as well. It's not compulsory. So once you've done that, here you can see it gives you a landing page, that you can actually check out. So I'm going to go with no thanks, I'm not interested, and it's going to let me straight into the Zendrop dashboard. So the thing that I like about Zendrop is its, great simplicity and basically how amazing it is to connect to Shopify stores. So the whole site looks great. The user experience and the interface is just amazing, and you can see products from, US, EU, or anywhere in the world. And what I like is that you can have reliable suppliers comparing to, AliExpress, and also the shipping is much faster. So therefore that is a great thing that you can find in the US products. So fast shipping is going to be there. Also, you have custom branding that you can customize yourself, and you can set yourself apart from other brands due to brand development. So, every order therefore has a huge great thing. Okay. Now, like the post move connections with Shopify store, it's really amazing in fulfilling the orders as well. So you can come over to orders, and once you've imported things into your Shopify store, you have all these orders that need to be fulfilled, and it's just great when it comes to that. And these are the pros in my opinion. So now let's come to the few little cons. So what I don't like about Zendrop is the first thing, that the variety of products when it comes to Zendrop is not a lot. So if I come to find products, there's not a lot of products. And if you want to find products, you're going to find a lot of products, but a lot of them are heavily saturated in a drop shipping market. And also the next thing is that the shipping costs is quite high. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna go with let's go with something. Yeah, let's go with these watches. Okay, now if I come to these watches, you're gonna see that the product cost 31.53, but if we come over here to the shipping is quite high. The shipping takes the price pretty up, and the product cost is quite low, but the shipping cost is quite high, so it takes it quite up. And I don't personally enjoy that. That's not something I personally like about the website. Then we go further, and you can open more and more products for yourself, like shirts. Like the product will probably be for like $2 or $3, but the price of the product is gonna be around, maybe 10, maybe 13, 15, because the shipping cost is so high that I don't really like the thing about that. But obviously, it gives you fast shipping, so it would make sense why they would keep the product cost and the shipping cost high. Now, to compare this to other websites as well, what you can do is you can come to, websites like Temu.com. And I know that you can't, drop ship from Temu really easily, but hear me out. What you can do is it's really simple and effective to find new arrivals on Temu. And, they aren't that saturated. And on Temu, you can search with the AliExpress tool. Okay, the AliExpress tool is basically an add-on that you can add for yourself, and you can start drop shipping really simply. And you can also cross-reference these products to your Zendrop. Okay, because the Temu market isn't that saturated, but the Zendrop market is quite saturated, and obviously it's very less likely that your products are going to be clicked on. So I would personally do this. And also, if you want to find really great products with Zendrop, let's say if I were to come here to Zendrop's top page, okay, now in this section, what you're going to want to do is you can, let's say I'm going to go into all categories. I'm going to go in bags and wallets. And I really like, you could say this bag over here. Okay. I would definitely get the first sample order. Okay. Because sample orders will allow me to actually check if the product is actually as good as it looks in the photo. So you can sample order it over here. So that's what I like about it. But obviously, you are going to have to pay the shipping. As I said, very high shipping costs. So a $2 product gone up to almost $14. So that is crazy to think about. But the fun part about this is that all of this is going to sell well because, as I said, it gives you a sample order. You can get really good stuff and you can contact the supplier as well really easily. So, yeah, you can get faster shipping and the price is much higher, but relatively the product cost is quite low related to other drop shipping providers. Then obviously comes the pricing of Zendrop. Okay, the pricing of Zendrop is quite, you could say, I like it. It's not too expensive. Obviously, there's the free, which is $0 per month. Normal. That's the free plan. Then there's the professional plan, okay, which is $49 per month. And in this professional plan, you can get quite a lot of things. So you get automated fulfillment, unlimited orders, custom branding, and a whole lot more. Then there's the big boy, which is the plus plan, $79 per month. This is obviously for the hardcore professionals, dropshippers, and they can obviously get everything that is in their suite. And then obviously there's the final enterprise for high volume sellers that obviously gives you everything and even more in unlimited forms. So, in general, what I want you to know is Zendrop is quite good and the features and the user interface and everything really good. What I don't like about Zendrop is obviously the shipping cost, then obviously the very high saturated products because as like the more the products are saturated, the more less likely it is that you're going to get sales. Because obviously a saturated product is everywhere in the market and people will more likely click on a product, from a dropshipper who has more sales and experience than you. So obviously, don't go with a lot of saturated products, but if you do have good rating, then you can go with it. That's totally dependent on you. But yeah, in general, Zendrop is a very good and amazing software. The connecting to your store and the whole user interface really fun, really easy to work with. And I would definitely tell you to use it if you are, hardcore dropshipper. But yeah, basically that is about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making more for you. But yeah, that's the general idea of how you're going to work with this. If you want to see, more, Shopify or drop shipping things related, e-commerce related, then just let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much all it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I hope you all keep having a great day, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.